So take a look at these guys. If you do come onto this platform called SimilarWeb and analyze the Reddit website, you will see that this website actually gets about 1.9 billion visits in the last 28 days. That's quite a huge amount of traffic this website actually gets. If you do keep on scrolling down to the bottom section, you can see where most of its traffic comes from the most, which are actually from top tier countries like the United States. A huge amount of percentage come from the United States. That is about 48% come from the United States, 7 from the United Kingdom, 6.99 from Canada, 4.19 from Australia, and 3.14 from Germany. That are actually top tier countries right now. So that's why in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how you could just simply leverage this platform right here called Reddit right now to actually use to gain traffic to your CPA marketing offers and start making similar amount to how I'm making right here. So I would like you to stick on to the end of this video to watch this right now. If you are new to my channel, OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways you could make money online, either with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and the use of AI tools. If you do like such content, make sure you're subscribed to my channel right there and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all to always get alerted whenever I do release videos that could help you boost your income online. So diving right ahead into today's video, the first thing which you want to get done first is to get an account created on a CPA marketing platform, and you can actually utilize this platform called cpagrip.com. If you do come onto cpagrip.com right here, you want to click on register icon. Once you do click on register, you're going to be brought to this page right here and basically fill out all the fields having these red asterisk signs. You can actually fill out the first name, the last name. You could skip the company and website as they do not have the red asterisk sign. You could go onto the street address, the country, the city, state and region and zip code, the phone number, Skype, IM name. You could also check out the email address, fixing the password which you want, confirm that, choose your time zone, agree to the terms of services right now, and get your account created. Once you actually do that right there, make sure you go on to log into your account. By clicking on the login icon after creating your account, you can then log into your account. As you can see right here, to get to this page which you can see right now, all you need to do is to come onto this particular section, select the offer tools option, the drop down list to be shown to you, select my offers, and be brought to this page right here. As you can see right now, I filtered my offers to get offers from the United States because that's where most of this website called Reddit gets its traffic from the most, as you can actually do see right here via this section. So if I'm promoting offers to the United States, I actually get better conversion rate to such offers right there because they are actually going to get to you much more United States audience than any other country out there. So which is why you want to just simply come right here, select a cool offer. I'm going to filter the offer based on payout right now, and you can actually do see right here that I can actually go on to selecting any one of the sweepstake offer. If I want to promote this offer, which is actually $100 giveaway towards Wingstop, I could just simply select that. You can see more details of the offer that your leads actually need to come from the United States. They need to be using a desktop device to submit their email address and zip code while using this your unique affiliate link, and you can actually get paid this amount right here, which is $2.31. All you need to do right now is to copy the link right here to this offer and create a landing page. Landing pages actually are proven to help you get better conversions to your CPA offers. They are absolutely amazing. You can actually go on to checking out this simple landing page I created with Google Site right here. As you can see, this is how cool the landing page actually goes on to looking like right now. It's promoting multiple CPA marketing offers. You can see the offer we are promoting right now is also in this landing page. If I click on this particular icon right here, copy the link to my landing page and paste that in a new tab right now, you'll be able to see how cool the landing page goes on to looking like. This is how the landing page actually looks like right here. So basically guys, you can actually go on to creating a simple landing page. You could also utilize other platforms like Systemy.io or Breezy.io to create simple landing pages. I'm not going to walk you through how you could do just that because I have videos that could show you exactly how to create simple landing pages, and you can just simply gain access to such video by going onto my channel right here. You want to click on this search icon which you can see right now, click on that one and just simply go on to type in a landing page. If you do type in landing page, you'll be able to see videos I created for you on how you could easily create landing pages right now. So all these are videos that show you how to create landing page with different websites right there. So why not just simply check out those videos out right now. So moving on to the video right here, if you do head onto this particular platform called reddit.com to promote your particular landing page and CPA marketing offer, all you need to do right there is to just simply come onto this section, click on this advertise option, and it's going to bring you right here to a page such as this. I created a new account for you so that you can actually see how this will be shown to you exactly when you do go on to creating your account. So if you do create an account, you'll be brought to a page right here that will be showing you everything on zero, from the amount you spend to the impressions, to the clicks, to the CPM, the CPC, and the CTR. So you can actually go on to seeing that you actually need to set up your payment method first of all before your ads can be reviewed. But guys, if you do set up your payment method yourself, you can do that yourself at your leisure time. Right now you want to just simply go on to clicking on create campaign. Once you do click on create campaign right now, it's going to load up right here, and you can see right here that you could do a simple create of campaign, or you could do the advanced right here. But the simple one is going to drive traffic to your website with 3-step ad creation experience. But for the advanced one, is quite a robust campaign with advanced tools and features. If you're a beginner, it is quite important to go on to using the simple create. Select that right here. And once you do select that, guys, you want to just simply upload an image right there of that particular ad right here, which you want to just simply use to promote your CPA offer. So you can actually get an image right there, maybe like a giveaway image. All you need to do is to upload that in this section. Click on this file right here that says browse file, and you can just simply browse to your device. So go on to selecting one and utilize that right there. You can actually do see right now, maybe I can actually go on to Google and actually search for giveaway. So if I do search for giveaway, go on to the image section, I will be able to see a lot of cool images I can just simply go on to utilizing. Maybe I select this one right here. You can actually do see that it's loading up. All I need to do is to right click on it, save the image as, and download the image on my device. Once the image has been downloaded, head back to this platform, click on browse file, and go on to selecting that exact same image. So you can actually do see right here, this is another image I'm actually using right here. You could add more images if you want. Right here you want to just simply put in the headline right here, something like claim a free gift card now. If you put in that right there, you can see it says less than half of your headline should be capitalized. Okay, right now I'm just gonna go on to reducing this. So you can see right here, this actually looks quite better. Right here you want to paste in the destination link, and that link should be the link to your landing page. So if I do paste in that link right here, as you can see, that has actually been pasted. For the call to action, you want to select something like sign up, or select anyone that is actually available right now to you or suitable to you. I can just simply click on apply now. Now I'm done with the first stage right here, which is the creative section. So I'm going to click on this link, this drop down link right here, or drop down arrow, to actually take that up. Now if I do select the target and delivery, right now you want to select if you want to target the broad Redditors across all interests and communities, or you want to just simply target specific interests and communities. You can actually do that right now. I'm going to leave this on broad. Make sure your location is on the United States or the country which you're targeting. You can put in your daily budget. If I want my daily budget to be $5, I can actually put that in right here, and my estimated expression and estimated clicks will be shown right here. You can see I'm going to get an estimated expression of 14 to 28,000 expressions and about 40 to 80 clicks per day. And imagine 10% of that clicks is actually giving me money. I'll be making some cool money, more than this particular daily budget right here. So basically that's how cool that actually is. So you can actually do set that to start running from today or start at end dates right here. So you can actually do fix that based on your preference. Right now we're done with the target and delivery. Next is just for you to go on to making payments. So you can actually add a payments method right here, like I showed you earlier, that you need to actually go on to put in your payments method. So once you add your payment method, you can actually start running your campaign. You can actually see how the campaign is going to look like, or how the ad is going to look like right here. So you can just simply edit that based on your preference and run simple and cool campaign on this platform and start making a lot of money online. So you can actually see right here that you do get lots of cool and amazing clicks right here just by utilizing $5 a day. If you're going to increasing the amount of money you're actually utilizing right here, maybe I want to put something like $100 $100 per day, you can actually do see the estimated amount of clicks I'm going to get and impressions have actually increased. So depending on your daily budget, that depends on the amount of click and expressions you actually get. You can see right there at $10, this is what you also get right here. So this is actually quite cool and amazing. Just simply leverage this platform, get to a lot of traffic and make money online. If the video did add some value, do make sure you hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.